Hi guys, this is Zach from Zach Animate Studios. Today I wanted to show you a simple thing about WordPress, the SEO. Guys, many people always talk about the SEO, search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is the ability for you to make your website be seen on Google so that your website can be ranked on Google. So today I wanted to take a sample of a website of my client so that I can just show you how you can set up SEO on your website. So first and foremost, there are two main plugins that you need to have. So let's dive into the dashboard and the plugins that you need so that you can set up your SEO. So right in the dashboard, first you need a Google Site Kit. Google Site Kit. How to get the Google Site Kit? What you need to do, you go to plugins, go to plugins, add new plugins, and then you're going to search for add new plugin, and then you're going to search for Google Site Kit. Okay, Google Site Kit. Google Site Kit. So this plugin it will enable you to log in. You're going to site. You're going to connect it to the Google. So basically, you're going to sign up for the Google console. Google console is going to position your website on Google. So after you have installed it, it's going to prompt you to set up your your website account with the Google account. So after you have installed, so basically this one I've already installed everything. Google Site Kit, this Google Site Kit, okay, the Google Site Kit, and then now after you have installed the Google Site Kit, so you're going to install the Google Site Kit. Is going to install, basically it is going to install the console, and then even AdSense. So this one will show you how your website is being viewed. It is going to show you how your website is being viewed. You can also connect to the AdSense if you want to connect to the AdSense and monetize your website. So this is it. That is the Google Site Kit. And then the second one which you are going to install is SEO, Google SEO, Yoast SEO. Okay, so we go back to our dash. We are going to also have already installed the Yoast SEO. The same process. We're going to install the Yoast SEO. Go to plugins, add new plugins, add new Yoast SEO. You install Yoast SEO. So this one also is going to, so I will show you how you're going to use the Yoast SEO to create you're going to put the meta words. So first let's install the Yoast SEO. Just come here in Yoast SEO, then you're going to find it. You're going to find that Yoast SEO. You install it. So basically it has already been installed, but it requires to be updated. That is okay. So ensure your website is always updated. Okay, you ensure your website is always updated. Your website is always up to date. So so basically, if you are a content writer, a blog writer, this is how you are going to utilize now the Yoast SEO. After you have installed, it will prompt you to to a wizard process. The wizard process is you fill in the company name, the company details, how the pages will appear. So when you do that, it is going to create now. You are going to fill in the dashboard, the features, and the integration, and also. So this one, this one, the webmaster toolkit, it will automatically link with the Google, okay, with the Google account. So you can automatically smash the start SEO data optimization. This one, it will generate for you the automatic SEO. But there are also another way. So you can optimize data. You can just click on that. If you import, so basically if you want to import SEO from either a previous site, you can do it. You can import the SEO setting, or from another website also, like your website, that is your website that you are sending it to another website. So you can import the SEO settings on that. Also, if you are using, there are other plugins that go directly with SEO, the Yoast SEO. So it's going to look for it, and then it's going to import those content. It's going to import those content now to your website. So let's go to our page. Let's create a post. Let's just create a post, new post. Basically, either you are a blog writer. Sorry for that. You are a blog writer. So what you're going to do, this is how you're going now to set up the keywords. You're going to set up your metadata, meta information, so that when you do that, it will appear. It will now appear on the website. So basically, this process will enable your website to be not on the last pages, but basically on the top row searches. So this is how the basic way you can use it, because I learned this through a lot of study, and then I've done it for a long time. So I've created so many websites. So this is just a way just to give back. I'm showing you how to do it and do it correctly. Okay, so you will have your title. So you'll just have your title. So you have to have a clear title, that is getting rentals in Nairobi. That's one of the best way to get rentals in Nairobi. So you have also to have a way that you format your titles to look good, to appear, or 10 reasons why you should look for houses in Nairobi. So let's use that. 10 reasons to why you should look for house in Nairobi. Okay, so that is just a title. Okay, so that's a title that you're going to use. So you see, it will auto generate for you the title, like the title, the way it should appear. This is the mobile view version of how that your title may appear on your website. But now let's just scroll, see the concept. So basically, that is how it looks in a mobile view. So you can do that. You copy it, you copy that content. So this is how we expect it to look like. Control C. So you put it on your SEO title. Okay, though it shows you it is too long, so you can decide to move the rest so that it just it remains green. Sorry, today I don't know what I've eaten, but I'm really trying to bring out the R and L, and it's really on my mouth. So that is what you should write on your slug. Basically, your slug and your title should be okay. So basically, this is on the Yoast plugin. That is, now this is what the Yoast plugin offers for you. So you write that, and then now you provide your meta description. The meta description is just either the reasons why you are telling us. So you can just give us a small description. It will be a small description of, I think, the entire summary, not I think that the small description of your entire title or your product or your writing. So basically, after you have given the story that you are writing, you give it a small descriptions to it. After giving the small descriptions to it, you can now just like publish now your post. So when you publish your post, when Google will send it, basically the way SEO works, it normally uses the searches and crawlers. Those are terms on basically what Google uses. They search your content. The crawlers go through your website. They periodically go through your website, and they are, so when it goes through your website, it will now pick this information. So basically, your information, this is what it will pick, and this is what it will portray on your main website. So basically, when you searching now, when somebody searches for your website on Google, now these are the first words. These are the first words that they will come across. They will come to view. These are the first words they will see on the tokens that you have created on the larger Google website. So that is how you set up your metas, and you set up your titles and meta titles on the SEO part of your website. The same thing you'll do it for you'll do it for pages. If you are creating products, that is, if your website is an e-commerce, you can still do that. So basically, that's what WordPress offers. So I think this has been helpful information. If you are a designer, your web content creator, you can use it to add advantage. Just remember, the first plugin you need is the Google Site Kit, and then the second one is the SEO. There are other platforms, there are other plugins that you can use, but it is your choice. These are the plugins. I'll just tell you, they'll still give you the results. So salute. This is Zach from Zach Animate Studios. If you want to create a website, if you want to design either logos, animations, just like, share, subscribe, and follow us. I'm always producing these videos, so I appreciate you, and let's keep in touch. Zach Animate Studios, 0716 201 688. Salute and have a lovely day.